Okay, I turned it on. Okay, we're about ready to go outside into the snow.
Yeah.
Come on, at least please don't be like that. Smile and say hi.
Hi.
She's normally a very sweet girl. All right, here we go. There they go.
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god, look at the snow on the overhang.
I know, I saw that earlier.
It's gonna like fall on our heads.
I'm not even getting anybody. They're right on top of me. Get them to play with you. Don't go around the corner, though.
I'm not going around the corner. Hey, Lucky.
Don't hit him in the face with it. Don't be mean.
I'm not. She pounces on him. I can't hit him in the head with frozen water.
No.
Well, I want to walk up on the steps. I'll feel
Just be
accomplished.
careful.
I should get my sled and like slide. I want to like dig a hole.
You are a hole.
I came out of a hole. I'm making a house.
Wait, where's Lucky?
He's right there.
Come on, Lucky. Come back this way, boy.
Lucky, come here so I can put you in
Stay
a
where
hole.
we can see you, honey.
Oh my god, he's taking a peek.
Good boy. Lucky, come on this way, honey. Lucky, stay over here. Maggie, stop it. I'm going to be out here for a long time.
Okay. Jesus, I'm throwing a snowball at you. You're freaking out.
Lucky, stay over here, boy. Come on.
Hey, Lucky, stay over here.
Don't let him run away.
I'm not. I'm preventing that.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
Lucky, call him back.
Lucky.
Good boy.
Hey, look, he's going over to the hole that I made. It's like a house. Lucky,
Looks like he's pissing in it.
No, he's not. Oh, Felix, you could go in my house. Oh, you just made another room. Thank you.
Look at how look at Lucky. He's covered.
Hey, look, she's going through the little trail that I made. How nice. Come on, Diogy. Here, I'll make you another road to go down.
Why don't you grab the shovel and shovel?
How about I don't really...
Shovel them a path.
That's what I'm doing.
With a snow shovel, you dope. I think she's peeing or pooping or something. Diogy!
Boo, come here. Lucky, look, I made you an island. So, yeah. What now?
I don't know, I'm getting a video of her walking through the snow. I think she's trying to find a place to poop.
That's disgusting.
We'll find out in a minute. Yeah, buddy. Good girl, Boo. Poop, good girl. Good poop, Boo Bear. Good girl, Boo.
Hey, she has a little dingleberry. She does.
Oh, Jesus.
Want me to go try to find a leaf?
Yeah, there's one way up in the tree. Go get it.
Oh, I see it.
I'm joking. No.
No, video me.
Get a stick or something. I need to get this off her dupe. Lucky's trying to follow you. What? Oh boy, don't sit on it, Boo.
I got you a leaf.
That little thing? What do you think? Good do you think that's gonna do me?
No, no.
Here, come over here. Take the camera.
Okay. Come. DOG, face away from me. That's disgusting. Here.
Don't drop it. It's still running. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, it's like really blurry. There we go. There's DOG. She has some poop hanging from her butt. Don't worry, Boo. Something on the lens. Hey, look. What's up? There's Mama.
Don't get me taking the shit off her butt, okay?
Okay, Jesus. There's the stuff on the roof. Ah, Jesus Christ! Crap! What the hell? You're sticking shit in my face.
It's in a napkin.
Ew! You stuck it in my face. You.
In a napkin.
Let's go underneath this fixture. Look at that. Oh, cracky!
Get the dogs.
I'm getting you. You're a weirder creature than they are.
Get the dogs. I'm gonna shuffle a little.
Okay.
You're not getting the dogs.
Oh. Here, oh.